First, open the cyber search. Read the game tips. Next. Then, pagkatapos, stop 1 muna tayo. Play the game. If you read briefing and you finish reading it, click OK para makapagsimula na. Click play button. This is Joe. Bago nating staff. So, ang role natin dito is IT staff, yung trainer niya. Parang trainer natin.
Oh, I guess I'll just click on this, eh?
Guys. So, how she or nobody saw it. Okay. The component and hanapin ito, waiver of email attachment at bilhin. Then, balik sa office. Click OK. Click OK ulit para sa quiz. Yes, kailangan basahin ng memo para hindi ma-fire. Okay? No, funny interpret. Malicious email. Okay, tapos na. Congratulations, you successfully complete the scenario. Okay. Game over na. Complete na tayo. Then, gusto kong isi pero hindi pwede, oh. So, quit. And next, life with macros. Play. Click OK ulit. Para magsimula, play button. Next, this is tearing your stuff. Role natin is IT staff din.
Looks like another commission coming my way.
Macros. Yeah, my spreadsheet. Routing. Inventory open time of price, code that top of set of the instruction called the macro. Execute a maliciously corrupted a batch of their document. So, okay. Punta muna tayo component. Scroll down. Hanggang mahanap natin to. Regular antivirus update. Ito yung kailangan. Then, click. And go back to the office kung nabili mo na. Yes, they should update the antivirus too, but you told her a bit late. So the boss made you stay late to clean up the machine. At least the antivirus too was able to find in the latest suspect documents. Virus niya. Click OK. And report the police. Ganun talaga ang virus. Sorry for that. Okay. Conversion complete. That's correctly. Tapos na natin. Then, punta tayo objective para makapasigurado. And then base already complete in the previous base. So, okay na yan. Ganyan lang kadali. Wait. Ayaw masave eh. Then close. Thank you for watching.